So how do you get the camera videos to the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Well, if you're using like a DSLR camera or even a GoPro or something, what you need to do is to remove the SD card, like take it out of your camera, right? So it might either be the small SD card like from the GoPro or the large one, but we somehow need to connect it to the iPhone. That's why I recommend people generally to have this kind of adapter, right? So you can see we have the USB stick or USB connection on one end and the SD card port on the other, right? So you just slide the SD card in there and connect the whole thing to the iPhone. Then you can either check out the Files app where under the locations, the SD card should get recognized and you'll be able to see the files there. Or you can also open up the Photos app where as well the SD card should be recognized, but it gives you the ability to just import all of the photos back to the local storage. So when you do all of this, you will technically move the files like the videos and photos captured on your camera to your iPhone, again, either to the Photos app or to the Files app, but in either case, you will have access to those photos and you can perhaps use them for editing, or if you have videos, you can create a project in your favorite video editor. You can do whatever you want, but the important point is that we now have access to those videos on our iPhone. So let me know in the comments below if it worked for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and most definitely subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorials like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.